Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another experiment. Sorry. I will use this open cup, flower shaped open cup, and you can order 3D printed this kind of cup on Etsy already, so I will put link and discount code into the description box of this video, so you can save some money too. And when I did this kind of stained glass look, I don't know, a few months, 2 months ago, a month ago, I don't know, I put silicone in my paints, but today I will try to flick it, sprinkle it on and see if I will get this stained glass look. Maybe my paint is a little thick, but I didn't want to have it really thin, because I'm hoping for some cells, lacing, whatever, and I just hope that it will keep the shape. So I will start with this azo yellow lemon hue, and iridescent precious gold from Pebeo. Maybe my black is a little thick. And let's add some payrolle red. And indathrene blue. And teal. I will list all the colors into the description box, so you will be able to check them there. And I will add some white here and some yellow again. And gold again. And red. Oh. And blue. And turquoise. I will just drizzle a little of black maybe here. Okay, let's try to release some of this paint. I think that I will have to thin down my black a little bit to pour it around. I don't know if this will work as I hope it would. I'm looking for this kind of pixelate looking flower, or kind of a stained glass looking flower, and I hope that when I will sprinkle my silicone on top, that it will bring some interest out. I did one that I did kind of a straight pour with a split cup, and it creates really interesting effects. So I just thought to myself, maybe I should try to do it with this technique too, to see what will happen. Okay, so I will remove this and try to dip this middle a little bit. Just fix the middle. So I will bring a little of this yellow towards the middle, and I will sprinkle this. So I hope that it will look something like I was imagining, and it's not in the middle, so I will have to tilt it a little bit, and then I will spin it once more. I already did get some cells, you see, just from the paint opacity or something, and because okay, so let's see what maybe I will just don't touch it anymore. Just do this, and I will wash my hands, because I have to have my hands clean when I will sprinkle my silicone. So and I can spin it later a little too if I will think that it needs some more. I will just put my paints away, because I don't want, when I will sprinkle silicone, that it will fall into my paints, and then I will have silicone in paints that I will not be happy with. So it already looks beautiful. So I will just torch it, and for the air bubbles, you see, you already get some cells from just doing this, but these are cells from air bubbles, but I want to get I have black in my hand and I don't want that. I have to wipe my hand once more, just a second, because you don't want to have paint when you will sprinkle, I don't know what the right word, I forgot again. So the moment of truth. And let's wait a little bit. I'm just not sure if I want to I just don't like this one corner that is black now, and you see? Just doesn't want to flow off. So I will leave it like it is, because I don't want to ruin everything else. And I like this. It's bright, it's colorful. This gold looks a little weird now, but it will be gorgeous when it will dry, because you know that gold is a little different when it's wet. Maybe I like it this way. the most. So as you all know, I'm not a big fan of cells, but for this technique I want to have a lot of cells, just because of this kind of stained glass look. I'm not crazy about this red part here, but otherwise I think that it's okay. And I get some really nice cells, you see. More lacing over the top. You see here, you can see how kind of weird gold looks, but this will be gold, and these parts that look kind of brown, they will turn out gold when it will be dry. See this stripe here, this is gold. So tell me what you think. I think that it's quite easy way to do this stained glass look painting, and if there wouldn't be this red, I think that it would look perfect. So tell me your opinion about this stained glass pixelate look rainbow flower. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.